Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this guide we're going to be looking at Instagram and uploading in the highest quality. So depending on what you're using Instagram for, you probably want to upload reels and other videos at the highest possible quality settings, but you're not quite seeing the results you're expecting. So for this guide we're going to tackle the Instagram aspect of this, so the app settings. So there's two components to this. First, it's the creation side, so how you're creating the media, and the second part is how you actually upload it and your Instagram settings. So we're going to be dealing with the Instagram side of things in this one. So in order to do that, open Instagram, go to the hamburger icon in the top right hand corner, then go to settings and privacy. Next, scroll down and go to the option called data usage and media quality. Once you've done that, make sure you have upload at highest quality enabled. It's under the media upload quality settings. There's not many options in here, so it's pretty much the only one. This will reduce some of the issues with Instagram compressing your quality of your content based on your connection. So once you've got this enabled, you shouldn't have those issues anymore. However, as I said earlier, you still need to make sure you're recording and processing your content correctly. So how you do that is entirely up to you, and there are some ways to get better results than others, but we'll cover that in another guide at another time. So for now, just adjust these settings in Instagram and you'll start seeing some pretty good results. Anyway, that wraps up this guide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on another video. Cheers, everyone.